A wig.
I could use a wig.
The old woman thought she had found a wig, but instead pulled out a human head, while the other woman discovered a human foot. CSI immediately arrived, and sealed off the scene. The store manager explained that he normally did not record the sources of the mystery boxes. The only thing he could provide the detectives was a list of the daily pickup routes. The body parts were then transported to the lab. The investigators began reconstructing the victim's body. They also found a guitar and some clothes in other boxes. After the medical examiner conducted the autopsy, he found the victim's face and mouth were filled with cremated ashes. His throat also showed signs of swelling. This indicated that when the killer forced him to eat the ashes, he was still alive. The cause of death was asphyxiation caused by airway obstruction. At that moment, the victim's toxicology report came back. The results showed alcohol and zolpidem in his system. Combined together, they act like a powerful sleeping drug. From this, the investigators concluded that the victim was unconscious when the killer forced the ashes into his mouth. Meanwhile, while examining the ashes on the victim's body, the investigators unexpectedly found a gold tooth. Using DNA from the tooth, the technician identified its owner as a prisoner. He had died of a sudden heart attack 2 years earlier, but surprisingly, another person's DNA was also mixed in the ashes. So the detectives tracked down the crematorium employee who handled the case. He admitted that in order to cut costs, he had cremated 2 bodies together. Based on the crematorium records, the detectives identified the owner of the ashes as Sabrina. She had died in a car accident 2 years earlier, and her husband was the dismembered victim, Ronald.